Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can authenticate or link your Cinema HD app with your Debrid account. The steps in doing so is very easy. All you have to do is to watch this video to the end and then you are good to go. Please, if you are new to this channel, consider giving this video a thumbs up, and then also give me a subscribe to this channel, and that will mean a lot to me. I appreciate you guys support all this one, and I really say thank you from the bottom of my heart. So back to what we have today. So if you have installed this app on your device, the Cinema HD app on your device, all you have to do is click on it, and then when the app launches, all you have to do is to scroll down until you get to and then until you find settings. Once you find the settings option, click on it, and this takes you to the settings menu. Then on the settings menu you will find general, performance, autoplay, account, restrictions, membership, download, subtitle, backup and restore. All you have to do in this settings menu is to click on account. Once you click on account, it takes you to another menu that you will find Debrid, all Debrid, tracked and all that. So to do so, to authenticate or link this app with your Debrid account, click on login to Debrid. Click on it, and then it brings you here. Yeah. So all you have to do is once it brings you here, all you have to do is click continue. But if you are using you can also copy this code and then go to your browser and then type this code to your browser. Let me just copy it. Let's do it this way. I'll click on it and then go to my browser and then click on Debrid. Once this opens, yes, I will enter the code here, and then I will click continue, and then I'll go back to my Cinema HD. It's already linked. So once you click on it, if you follow the steps I did in this video, once you click on Debrid, it takes you to where you will get the code. And once you copy the code, you go back to your browser and then enter the code on your browser, on your Debrid account on your browser, and then it will link automatically. However, if you don't have a Debrid account, all you have to do is to go to sign up is go to Debrid.com, and then when you go to Debrid, and then hold on, yeah. So you go to Debrid, and then go here from Debrid.com, and then from here you can sign up. My account, you can just sign up, and then create your own account so that you can be able to authenticate or link any app that supports Debrid account. One thing about Debrid account, it allows you to access content in HD, in 4K HD, 4K. So it allows you to experience high definition, the highest definition of video pixel. So just follow the steps I did in this video and you will have your Cinema HD app linked or authenticated with your Debrid account. The steps are very easy and straightforward. So please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and then if you are finding difficult on how to jailbreak your Fire Stick and install this app, I already have a video on that. I'll be dropping the link on how to do so that you can easily install that on your Fire TV device or Android devices. Please check the comment section. That's where you will find the link, and then we are good to go. So thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.